Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can add a background image or photo to your documents on Microsoft Word. It is very simple, guys, and this will not require any advanced technical skills whatsoever from you. So let us guide you through this step by step. So as you can see, we're on that example document here on Word, and I added this photo or image for the sake of this tutorial. However, guys, as you can see, if I move it around here, it will not stay in the background, but somehow be placed between the text, which I want to avoid, and I would like to place that image in the background so that it overlaps somehow with the text. Let me show you how to do that, guys. There's a simple trick you may apply here. To do that, simply select the given image or photo, and with your left mouse, and after that click on that icon, right to it, layout options, and from here simply switch from the layout option in line with text to a text wrapping below. In this case here, with that one here behind text, so that the image will be placed behind the text. And that's it. That's how you can place the image behind your text. However, guys, now if I, for example, move it here around, you will see that although it may be, or it is placed behind the text, it pretty much doesn't look professionally made, in my opinion, because you don't see the text, and the text somehow blends into the image. So you may, for example, but it's optional, you may apply, for example, a transparency effect. To do that, simply right click on the given photo or image, and after that simply select format picture here. That is going to open up these formatting options on the right panel. Here, switch from that icon effects to this one here, picture, and expand the picture transparency effect here, and simply adjust your transparency effect or intensity by moving that slider to the right. So for example, if I make it, let's say, half transparent, like 50%, you will see that the text is much more visible now. You may play around with this as much as you like, make it almost 100% transparent, like let's say 80%, and that will look pretty professionally made, in my opinion, guys. So that's how you do it here on Microsoft Word in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.